Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. If you're new here, thank you so much for joining me. Today is a very fun day because we are going to do a little chit chat about the brand new Buffbunny collection. It is called Story. It is a collaboration collection with Bella Lambert. And you guys, it is so good. Right off the bat, you're gonna see colors that are perfect for summer. Pinks, yellows, greens. But before I dive into the actual clothes, I wanted to chat a little bit because I had the privilege, the honor of shooting part of this campaign. We shot a couple weeks ago and the photos are amazing. So I've actually been able to try on every single one of these items already, but also even some of the items that I didn't pick to get sent to me, I've tried on. So if you have any questions about fits, anything, let me know because I got you. Let's dive right into it. Now, one of the really cool things about this collection is we are now going to have some kid pieces, which is so exciting. Some mommy and me pieces, if you're like me, some auntie and niece pieces. So I've already opened up this dress because I actually wore it the other day. We had an Arizona influencer event and this dress, you guys, is freaking adorable. So I wore the size small. It's in the yellow color. We're also gonna have it in black and in green, I believe. I'll make sure and double verify that. It's a nice length. It's not too long. I'll try it on again for you guys in the next video. Let's go into the gingham. So freaking cute. So we have it in this pink color and this is called Pink Gingham. There you go. So it's the Geo sports bra. How freaking adorable. Removable pads. So the back is really nice because it's almost like a traditional bra in the sense that it has the clasps. And then it also comes with the extender. So if you maybe fit this in the bust, but you needed the width a little bit longer, then just add on that extender. So that's really cute. And this for sure is in this pink and it comes in red as well. But this is like, oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Yeah, I didn't get any matching bottoms for this, but I went ahead and I got these comfy shorts because I thought that would be kind of cute. So these are the Story Cloud Short in Pink Sugar. So I was thinking this could be kind of a cute combo. Yeah, we're gonna try it on. But these shorts are really, really comfy, really cozy. They come with a pocket. They also come with a sweatshirt, a crew neck sweatshirt. I didn't get one just because I have a million sweatshirts, but I actually don't have a lot of these shorts, so I'm really excited to have some comfy, cute, cozy shorts. This I'm so excited for. Okay, so I don't have any kids currently, but I do have a niece. Her name is Cadence, and she is almost 3. So I got her a matching outfit. It's so freaking cute. So this is it's in size medium. Hopefully it fits. I Googled what 3T is and they said medium. So hopefully it fits. Oh my God, I'm dead. Okay, so these are the exact same shorts, matching shorts. And then I did get her the sweatshirt as well. And it's also in size medium. Again, supposed to fit, we'll find out. So adorable, so adorable. And then it has the Buffbunny logo on the sleeve. I'm really excited for her to try this. So cute. So this comes in pink or red. Just let me put all my mess on the floor. So in the shoot, at the shoot I should say, there was one outfit that I was just dying over. This is it right here. Just you wait. Just you wait. Okay, so this is the Dream Heather contrast legging, pink sugar, extra small. And look at the front, it's so cute. I am a sucker for this crisscross. I think it makes you look so snatched. Adorable. And then the matching sports bra. This is the Dream Heather contrast sports bra, pink sugar again. So this is the front, removable pads, and then the back, really fun. I love it. That V design. I personally think this V makes your muscles in your back look extra jacked, so we don't hate that. But yes, this, you guys, this is the outfit of the collection in my opinion. Get it. I got the Rosa shorts. These are the 5-inch shorts in color Lucky Charm, size extra small. Can never go wrong with a Rosa short. It's a classic. And then to match the shorts, I got the sports bra that is in the same color, Lucky Charm. And this is the Ivy Wrap sports bra. I have this currently in black and I really love it. And then the back has the crisscrossies. This one does have adjustable straps, which is nice. So I have this outfit as a standalone, but I also got this t-shirt. And I got the t-shirt in a size medium because I wanted it to be a little bit oversized. So this I was thinking I could wear over it. It says, "One More Match Club, Buffbunny Athletic Story Collection." I love this. It looks big, but that's, like I said, how I wanted it. Yeah, so cute. So that is everything I got. Oh wait, I lied. Socks. I don't know what it is about the Buffbunny socks, but they're just so cozy, so comfy, and they last forever. So I'm gonna just open these because just wait. I think until now we've only had black socks, like the black logo, but ready? We have red and pink, blue, and then the black. Okay, so that is everything. I'm gonna clean up and then I'm gonna do some trying on. So make sure you stay tuned because the try on video is coming up next. As always though, thank you for joining me. Thank you for tuning in. Do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and I'll see you very soon.